Are you ready to step into a world of limitless earning potential? AI Avatar is ready to help you. This cutting-edge technology is changing the game for online entrepreneurs, providing incredible opportunities for those prepared to take advantage of them. Whether new to the digital space or a seasoned professional, this AI Avatar can take your earning potential to the next level. So, what are we waiting for? Join us today and start making money with AI Avatar right away.
Hey there, have you heard of Unreal Me? This fantastic tool uses AI to create stunning images of you. It's so cool, you should check it out. Here's how it works. You click the Get button and it will redirect you to a secure payment interface. You can choose between two options. Get a surprise of 50 plus AI images for €22 or select your themes for €15. The second option can even be offered as a gift for someone. How cool is that? After you've paid, all you need to do is upload your photos, sit back and relax. The AI will work its magic, and you'll receive your generated images in a few hours, which may end up in your spam folder. The generated images are 512 on 512 pixels in JPEG format. Usually about 70% of them look like you. However, remember that the quality of the generated images depends on the photos you upload, so make sure they're good quality photos. Unfortunately, there are no refunds if the error is on your side, but if you are still waiting to receive your generated images within 24 hours, you can contact the Unreal Me team and they will assist you. And if you have any specific needs or suggestions, you can get the team to discuss them. Your photos will only be used to create the images and will be deleted after 30 days. The generated images will also be deleted after 30 days unless you request deletion before then. And let me tell you, the AI technology used in Unreal Me is top-notch. The AI algorithm analyzes your photos and creates realistic images. It's almost like looking at a mirror. You'll be amazed at the results. One thing to remember is that AI is still in its early stages and there may be some limitations. However, the Unreal Me team is continuously improving technology to give you the best results possible. Another great feature of Unreal Me is that you can choose your themes. Want to be a mermaid? A superhero? A fantasy character? You name it, Unreal Me can do it. And if you don't see your desired theme in the options, you can reach out to the theme and they'll try their best to accommodate your request. So what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner motor with Unreal Me and get your amazing images today. Hey friend, have you heard about pictodream.com? It's an AI-powered tool that lets you turn yourself into a personalized digital image or even create an image of someone else. All you have to do is upload 10 to 20 photos of yourself or the person you want to create an image of. The AI will do the rest. The generated images are pretty cool. They can be used as your profile pictures, printed on canvas, or given as gifts to your loved ones. And the best part is that it's super simple to use. Just follow the steps and let the AI do its magic. The training process can take up a few hours, so you can relax, grab a coffee or go for a walk, and when it's done, you'll receive an email notification. Then you can get creative and create the most stunning images of yourself using the site's gallery of tips for inspiration. I know you're concerned about privacy, and so is pictodream.com. They understand the importance of keeping your personal information secure, and that's why all the photos you upload are deleted from the server after 1 month. The site includes detailed information about privacy policies and terms of service, and if you have any questions, the contact information is readily available. The AI technology behind pictodream.com is genuinely cutting edge. It uses deep learning algorithms to analyze the photos you upload and generate a digital image that resembles you or the person you're trying to create an image of. The generated image is so realistic, it will blow your mind. You'll be able to see how you would look with different hairstyles, outfits, and even accessories. It's like a virtual try-on without having to try anything on physically. But that's not all. The possibilities are endless with pictodream.com. You can use the generated image as your new profile on your social media platforms and watch as your friends and followers react in awe. Or you can print the image on canvas and hang it on your walls. It's a unique and personalized piece of art that will brighten up any room. Another great thing about pictodream.com is that it's a fantastic gift option. Imagine giving your friend or loved one a beautiful digital image of themselves printed on canvas. It's a thoughtful and personal gift that they'll treasure forever. So go ahead and try pictodream.com. It's a fun, light-hearted way to play with your imagination and see yourself in a new light. I guarantee you'll have a blast. Have you ever wanted a portrait of yourself that looks just like you? Look no further, because autoportrait.ai is here to make that dream a reality. This fantastic service uses artificial intelligence to generate unique portraits of a person from multiple photos of their face. All you have to do is upload a few clear pictures of your face and let the magic of AI do the rest. The AI takes anywhere from 30 minutes to several hours to train on your photos, but the results are truly stunning. The generated portraits are so lifelike, they look exactly like you. And the best part is the AI can generate an unlimited number of images in millions of stars, so that you can have a different picture for every mood and occasion. Autoportrait AI is also a secure service, so you can rest easy knowing that your payments are protected by Stripe and encrypted with SSL. And if privacy is a concern, you'll be happy to see that they have a strict privacy policy. To use Autoportrait AI, you'll need to buy credits. One image equals 1 credit, and you can buy 500 credits for one face training with artificial intelligence for one person. There's also a surprise package option, where you can get 50 images with random stars for a fun surprise. If you want even more portraits, you can buy 500 credits for up to 500 pictures or 1000 credits for up to 1000 pictures. And if you buy 1000 credits, you'll even save 10% in credits. That's 2 face training with artificial intelligence for 2 people and up to 1000 images. Autoportrait.ai is a game changer for people who want a unique and personalized portrait. It's not just about creating a digital image that looks like you, it's about having the ability to express yourself in new and creative ways. Whether you want to use your portrait for personal or professional purposes, Autoportrait.ai has got you covered. The whole process is super simple and user-friendly. You must upload a few photos of yourself and the AI will do the rest. It's like magic. The AI uses these photos to create a digital version of you that can be customized in endless ways. You can choose from millions of presets and styles, or you can even create your custom style. And the best part? The AI is super smart, so it keeps learning and improving with every portrait it generates. So the more you use Autoportrait.ai, the more personalized and unique your images will become. The guys behind Autoportrait.ai, Zeke and Victor Timset, have ensured that the service is secure and trustworthy. They have implemented industry-standard encryption methods to protect your data and payments, so you can rest easy knowing that your privacy and security are taken seriously. So what are you waiting for? Get creative and generate some portraits today. Whether you want to make a personalized gift for someone special or use it as your profile picture on social media, Autoportrait is the perfect solution. With its easy-to-use interface, millions of styles and presets, and secure payment system, you can go right. Hey, have you heard of Ready Player Me yet? It's an awesome cross-game avatar platform for the meta universe that lets you create and customize 3D avatars using selfies. And let me tell you, the customization options are endless. With over 300 choices and the ability to import NFTs, you can make your avatar truly reflect your unique personality. That's not even the best part. You can use your customized avatar in over 7,000 supported apps and games. And for the developers, Ready Player Me offers a seamless integration platform with Unity and Unreal Engine SDKs. That means you can integrate the avatar platform into your own apps and games in just a matter of hours. And recently, the team at Ready Player Me launched Ready Player Me Labs, giving developers and users early access to experimental designs and features. The first release of Labs includes an AI-based avatar creator using DALL-E to generate unique textures based on user requests. And in response to popular demand, the team now allows users to customize tops, pants, and shoes. But the team at Ready Player Me has even bigger plans for the future of avatar customization. They are working on AI-powered stylization, gender-neutral body types, different body shapes, and age preset to add even more variety and personalization options for users. And with the latest version of the Unity SDK, 1.11.0, you can now take advantage of the Render API directly in the Unity SDK to create 2D rendered avatars for leaderboards or user profiles in your game. Plus, with the addition of runtime avatar caching, loading multiple avatars is now more efficient and faster for users. And the SDK includes SDK Logger, a debugging tool that helps you keep track of the avatar load and status. And that's just the tip of the iceberg regarding what the Ready Player Me platform has to offer. But that's not all. The team behind Ready Player Me is always working on new and exciting updates and features to improve the platform. They are constantly listening to the community and gathering feedback to ensure they deliver what users want. And they also host regular events and contests where users can showcase their creativity and win fantastic prizes. So whether you're a gamer, developer, or just looking for fun and unique way to express yourself, Ready Player Me is the perfect platform. With endless customization options, fun features, and constant updates, there's no limit to what you can create and achieve in the meta universe. So why wait? Sign up today and join the fun. When creating an online presence, having a great profile photo is essential. But only some have the skills, resources, or time to take a professional image. That's where Amazing Photo comes in. This fantastic platform leverages the power of artificial intelligence to help users create amazing profile photos in just a few clicks. All you need to do is upload 20 photos of yourself and the AI will do the rest. You'll be able to select from over 100 unique images, each with a stunning full HD resolution of 2048 on 2048. That's right, you can now have photos that look like a professional photographer took them without ever leaving your home. The AI model is designed to recognize specific individuals, making it perfect for those who want to showcase their unique personalities and styles in their photos. Whether you're an influencer, a business owner, or simply someone looking to refresh your profile picture, Amazing Photos is the perfect solution. One of the critical features of Amazing Photos is that it uses a particular version of Stable Diffusion technology to fine-tune the AI model with your photos and personalize it to your appearance. This means that the more you use the service, the better it will get at recognizing and creating images of you. Another great thing about Amazing Photos is that it takes privacy seriously. Your pictures and personal information are stored securely on servers in Frankfurt, Germany, and the company will never sell your data to third parties. Stripe, the industry leader in online payments, handles payments so you can rest assured that your payment details are safe and secure. And if you're unsatisfied with the photos generated, there's no need to worry. With the 14-day money-back guarantee, you can try out the service and receive a full refund if you still need more. To top it off, the website also uses cookies to improve user interaction, making the overall experience even more user-friendly. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or someone new to using AI, Amazing Photos make generating profile photos a breeze. So whether you're looking to create a new online profile or update your current one, Amazing Photos are the perfect solution. With world-class photo quality, ease of use, and complete privacy protection, what are you waiting for? Try it out today and see the excellent results for yourselves.